Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today I want to show you a powerful bullish signal that has been appeared fourth time in the history of the Bitcoin. We will also talk about this breakout that we are having today. And first of all, I want to show you this bullish harmonic cipher pattern that I shared on 18th of June at the Patreon. And then I also shared with you guys as well when the price action of Bitcoin was forming this final leg of the bullish cipher. By the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon, and if you would like to support me here, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, this was the chart that I shared, and at that time the price action of Bitcoin was moving at $37,872, and I informed you that the price action can complete this final leg of the bullish cipher once it will be able to break down this 25 simple moving average on the daily time frame. And the buying was from 34,900 and ends up to $33,200. But after playing this chart, we can see that the price action even moved more down, and it behaved like the bullish shark pattern, not the cipher pattern. However, it is reversed back and hit the sell zone. And now if we take a look at the daily time frame, then here we have been discussing about this pattern previously, and I told you once we were having the bounce here from this support. In my previous videos, I have been telling you that we are going to make another attempt for the breakout, and now we can see that the price action is breaking out, and even we are out of this triangle now. If I place the volume profile again to show you what I told you in my previous video and what has happened now, I told you that the volume profile is not showing a powerful interest of the traders at the support. Let me show you that here we can see that we have a very weak interest of the traders. Therefore, whenever the price action was moving in this area, the price action was moving to the upside, and here we also have very weak interest of the traders, and this is almost the same level where we have a very strong price level resistance at $39,500. Let me place this trend line here, then it will be more easy to watch this resistance level. That is $39,500, and we can see that the price action is again and again getting rejected by this resistance of $39,500. Now we had the point of control of the volume profile here, and I told you that whenever the price action moves up or moves down, it always moves back to the point of control of the volume profile, and it works as a center of gravity for the price action. And we can see that the price action is moving back towards the point of control. However, it can also move more up because we have the traders' interest even up to this level. You can see that at this level we have a weak interest of the traders, and up to this level we have a very strong interest of the traders. Therefore, the price action can move up to this level. However, this will be a really very strong resistance. We need to break out this resistance of $39,500 as soon as possible with the good volume in order to make a big move or start a massive rally or bull run. However, in order to confirm first this breakout that we are having right now, we can see that we are out of this triangle, but we are not having a powerful buying volume so far on the daily time frame chart. Let me take you to the 4-hourly chart, the small time period, and here we can see that the price action broke out, retested the previous resistance as a support, and moved to the upside. But as in my previous video, I told you that in this situation we should watch for this breakout on the long term, or at least on the mid-term charts, like on the daily time frame, not on the short-term charts like you're watching on the YouTube and on the different platforms. The different traders are showing you this breakout on the smaller time period charts, like on the hourly or on the 4-hourly. But at this time we should watch it at the daily time frame chart, because the small time frame chart can give us the false signal. Now in order to show you the power of buying or selling, I'm just going to place the volume oscillator. That is a very useful tool to measure the power of buying or sell volume. For example, here we had the value of this volume oscillator. You can watch the values here. That was 40. That was really very powerful. Above 10 is considered as a very powerful buying or sell volume. Now here we can see that the oscillator, the volume oscillator value was 12, and this was the buying volume, you can see. And here we again have witnessed this powerful buying volume oscillator. You can see that we were having buying, and the value of the oscillator was 17. That was very powerful. And now the price action is moving to the upside, but the oscillator is still moving to the downside. Even on the 4-hourly chart, we can see, this is the 4-hourly chart, the value of the buying volume oscillator is only 4.81. We are not having powerful buying volume even on the small time period chart as well. Now let's move to the daily time frame chart back, and we can see that we are out of this triangle. However, we will need the buying volume to support this breakout. Now let's move to the weekly time frame chart to show you the powerful buying or bullish signal that has been appeared 4 times in the history of the Bitcoin. And I have been telling you about this bullish signal in my maybe 2 or 3 previous videos. I've already shown you this signal. That is the weekly 50 simple moving average, and the price action after breaking out this 50 simple moving average, first time hitting this 50 simple moving average strong support on the weekly time frame chart. You can see that here the price action reached the 50 simple moving average, even spiked beyond the 50 simple moving average. At that time, the 50 simple moving average was at $30,452. Now it is moved up, and now it is moving at approximately $31,000. So we have a very, very strong support at $31,000 of this 50 simple moving average, and we are also having very, very strong support of $31,000 of this descending triangle as well. Therefore, now after this bounce, we can expect that the price action can turn very strong bullish. But as it is a long-term signal, this is a weekly time frame chart. Therefore, the price action can continue its move between the $30,000 to $40,000, and after some consolidation, the price action can move up. At this time, if we take a look at the candlesticks, we have a sufficient consolidation above this 50 simple moving average. There is a possibility that now after this bounce, the price action can break out this resistance of $39,500 and start the big move. Now let me just show you how it is the 4th time in the history of the Bitcoin. Like previously, it happened here back in 2019, in December 2019, when the price action broke out this 50 simple moving average. First, it broke out here, moved here, and started the next rally. If I place this measurement tool on this rally, then we can see that was more than 63%. And I believe that this big rally, this one, was the part or the continuity of this previous rally, because in the month of March we had some exceptional situation and the markets were moving down, and the Bitcoin followed the market trend and moved down and then recovered back and moved to the upside and started the big move. Such move I'm expecting again this time. And here previously, before 2019, after the big bull run, it happened here when the price action after the bull run of 2017 moved at this 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart in 2018 and started another rally that was more than, let me place this measurement tool again, and we can see that was more than 52% rally. Now let's move to the previous history of the Bitcoin. We have witnessed in 2018, in 2019, and here we can see before 2018, it happened here back in 2014 when we had a powerful bull run of 2013. The price action moved here and hit this 50 simple moving average and started next move to the upside, and that was more than a 100%. You can see more than 100% rally, and the price action again moved down and broke down this 50 simple moving average here. So this is the 4th time in the history of the Bitcoin that the price action of BTC, after breaking out this 50 simple moving average, moved at this 50 simple moving average, and now we can expect that the price action can start a massive move from here at any time. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.